whenever you meet a client and chat the client, or the client come and chat you that he's interested in your product, this is what you're going to do. Is very, very simple. You're going to use AI to do this thing. Now look at this prompt here. This prompt here exactly is what you need. Let me zoom in so you see it well. Act as a world-class sales closer who understands the psychology of sales and generate a series of questions and statements to handle objections and close a sale for the G4G affiliate marketing program course. Now you now put whatever course you want to affiliate. Let's say if it can be graphic design course, it can be website development course, it can be how to travel abroad course, whatever course, just put it there. Now assume the prospect is interested but has concerns about time, money and self-doubt. Provide a flow of interactive prompts to address these objections, build confidence and motivate the prospect to take action. Use low grammar that is easy to understand by Nigerians. So you can use whatever country you're watching that is easy to understand by your own country. I already know how Nigerians understand things. Now I will respond as a world-class base closer. You understand? Then what is the real reason you are hesitant to invest in the G4G affiliate marketing program? You put your own program here. Is it the cost, the time, commitment, or something else entirely? Don't reply until I send my feedback. Now I'll make you understand what I mean here. So now let me just zoom back this. What I've done, I've copied it and I've taken it. You copy it and take it to any AI platform that you use. So me, I use ChatGPT or Glock AI. So whichever AI platform you can use, So let me go to ChatGPT. You can also use the AI platform on your WhatsApp. So you see, I've already started it here. I've pasted everything here. So now it now say as soon as you paste it, you see it will tell you, got it, I am ready when you're ready. When you are ready, you understand? So when you client reach out to you, you save the number. Remember the last video I explained to you that every time a new person comes to your DM, save the person's number. Now when that person comes to your DM, that person has already been sold 1%. That means for the person to come to your DM, it means that the person is interested in what you offer, except you are the one going to the person's DM. So just understand that you have sold the person 1%. Now when the person comes to your DM, he's going to come and then tell you, how I need to understand this your product, the G4G affiliate marketing product, your own product that you're selling. Then you're not going to tell him, okay, this is about the product. Then the person is not going to send you then you're not going to tell the person, okay, this is it, how I explained to you how to chat the person. The person is now going to reply you, let's say, I don't have money. So you can see this let's say the person is replying you now, I don't have money, after you finish explaining sentence. Then you now copy this I don't have money here. Anytime you want to chat to the client, copy this prompt. The prompt is going to be under the description of this video. Copy the prompt that I've given you right now. Copy the prompt and then paste it on the AI. After the AI have told you, I have got it, I am ready, paste the reply of your client. As you paste it, you see what the AI will now reply you. So it now tell you, I hear you, I respect that, but let's be real. If lack of money is the problem, then isn't that the reasons you need this program? Right now, not having money is keeping you stuck. But what if in the next few weeks you could start earning because you finally have the right knowledge and mentorship? Let me ask you, if you had the money right now, will you join? You see, it's helping you chat. So what you can do is now to copy. You can just come here and copy and then go and send it to. So now let's say for instance, now let me copy and then let me text myself. So this is myself. So I can now just go send it to myself now and then send. So anyone that reads this thing now, it will hit him hard. You say, it's true. So the person now will now reply you because it pushes you to the question is open-ended question. So it's opening the question. Is opening questions. So let's say the client now asks, let me think of what the client now asks now. Let's say the client now asks, that is true. That's true. But how will I do now? I don't have much with me. I don't have much. Let's just assume that, okay, I don't have much with me. So this is what the client now sends to you. So you copy it and then paste it here. So now I'm just going to send it here to the so let's see what it replies us. Okay, see what AI replies now. I get it and I appreciate your honesty, but let me ask you, if an emergency comes up right now, like a health issue or an opportunity you know will change your life, would you find a way? The truth is, when something is important enough, we always find a way. Some people sell things they don't need, cut back a small expenses, or even borrow because they know the right investment today can change their financial future. Let's be real. If money wasn't an issue, would you still be thinking twice about this opportunity. You can see it keeps on opening the conversation. So now the person will now be forced, you see, one whatsoever someone values, it's true, this thing is so true, this is psychology of selling, this is psychology of life that human beings don't really understand. Whatsoever someone values, he's going to try as much as possible to find a way. There is always a way. So there's nothing like price, like someone don't have money. It doesn't exist. Everybody that is alive because he has been getting money one way or the other to sustain himself. So the idea of people not having money to pay for your course or pay for a program is a lie. It only means that the person is not interested or the person doesn't trust you enough. That is just the only reason why someone won't pay for your course. The person is not interested, the person doesn't trust you enough. If not, money is not the issue. The person can borrow money, the person has a lot of contact that he can call, because this is a financial opportunity, except the person is hesitant and the person has doubt. So now you can also use, let's say this prompter will handle every type of objectives. So if now, let's say for instance the client say I don't believe that this program will work for me. Let's say this is what your client sent to you. Copy it, paste it here. So now let's paste and let's see. I hear you, and it's okay to feel that way, but let's be honest, what makes you doubt it? Have you tried something before and didn't work? The truth is, most people struggle online not because they don't work hard, but because they don't have the right strategy, guidance, and mindset. That's exactly what the G4G, that is my own program, gives you. Look at it this way: 3 of my students have already made sales using the same listen. Only difference between them and you took action. So let me ask you, what if it does work for you? What if this is the opportunity you find that finally change everything? Are you willing to risk missing out just because of fear? You can see now you already have, because I have students, I've worked with a lot of students before, and I have a lot of testimonials. I can now send it to this person. So you can see that this is how you sell until you go down to the level where you have closed the person completely. So now when the moment the person say okay, I am interested, you see, now you have closed the person. Let's just assume the person say I'm interested. Now look at what the AI will tell you. The AI will just tell you it's the mindset of a winner. Now let's get you started so you can start earning. You can start learning and earning. Here's what will happen next. I will send you the payment details now. Once you make your payment, you get instant access to the G4G program, including my personal mentorship and all the tools you need necessary. Let's not waste time anymore. Are you ready to succeed, to secure your spot now? You must not put this "are you ready to secure your spot?" Just send the person. Whenever someone says okay, don't advise the person anymore. Just send your details. Let the person send the money. Anytime someone says he's ready, don't hesitate, because you see, when you hesitate, you can make the person's buying energy can reduce. So don't talk. So if someone say that okay, is interested, just send the person your details sharp. Let the person pay and collect all type of payments. So I hope you've gotten value from this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends. The prompt for this is going to be under the description of this video. It's completely free. Just get access to it, and see you in the next one. Peace for now. Bye. Now, if you're someone that want to take affiliate marketing as a business model and you want to start making sales just like me and my students, if you're struggling to understand what affiliate marketing is, I would recommend you not to stress yourself and just join the G4G affiliate marketing program. Why? Now, in 4 years of experience on the digital space, I understand that if you don't have the right mindset, no matter what you do, you can have strategies, but you won't be successful. So that is why I designed the G4G affiliate marketing program, where you are going to learn the psychology behind selling, not just strategies, because strategies will not last long, but psychology. If you understand psychology of selling, you can sell whatsoever, whensoever you want. Because one of the things that will never fade away in this life since the beginning of time is selling something to someone. But tools can fade away, strategies and how you use those tools can fade away. But when you know the psychology of how to introduce something to someone, persuade that person to buy it from you, then you're good to go. Now, if you join the program, you're going to get access to the group, my mentorship, and you're also going to get access to the class website. Now you can see this is the class website where you have the beginner guide. You can see it here, the beginner guide, and when you finish the whole beginner guide, then you now go to next class. In the next class, you now have what we call the advanced class. So you can see the advanced class. And now, one of the beautiful things about the G4G affiliate marketing program is that you already have resources that you can just take take and paste and take and paste. So you don't need to create certain content for yourself. You just have content that you can just come and take and then paste. And you're also going to learn skills, because you need skills to be able to successful. So if it's something that you want to invest in, then I would highly recommend you invest in the G4G affiliate marketing program. I'm passionate about making sure that you know what you're doing online, not just doing things anyhow. Because if you do things anyhow, then your results are good. You're actually going to get results, but at the long run, it's going to fall. Most of the affiliate marketers that started affiliate marketing that have failed didn't start from a solid foundation, and that is what I'm trying to eradicate from the affiliate marketing industry. So if that is something that you're interested in and you want to push through this vision, then you can enroll in the G4G affiliate marketing program. Just click the link around this video, click the link under the description or wherever, or talk to the person that sent you this video, and enroll in the program. Is just 20,000 naira, and price will not remain like that forever. So take the opportunity now. Look at what you stand to gain versus the price you have to pay. So if what you stand to gain is bigger than the price you have to pay, then it's worth investing in. I'm not forcing you to invest, but I'm encouraging you to invest, because I don't necessarily care about your money, but I care about making sure that you see changes in your life and in your finances. So see you in class.